to create reels on Instagram. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can create reels on Instagram. Follow these steps to make engaging and creative reels. Open your Instagram application. Click on the plus icon at the center of the homepage to begin creating a new post. Here in the options that appear, select Reel to enter the dedicated space for creating short videos. Here you can either capture your video instantly or click on this gallery option to choose a video from your gallery. Now here, choose a video you like to use for your reel. Once you have selected your video, you will enter the editing space. Here click on Edit Video button to customize your video. Here you can add effects, music, stickers and many more to enhance your reel. After customizing your reel, click on the arrow at the top right corner. On this page, you can write a caption for your reel. As you scroll down, you will find additional options such as tagging people, adding topics, renaming audio and specifying location. Click on Next to proceed. Once your reel is ready, you will see it in the reel section of your profile. Go to your profile and you will find the reel you just created. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.